Let her fly whenever you want.
I don't want to hit her. It turns.
Didn't turn. I don't know what you're talking about.
See, it turns. Right there.
Well, yeah, at the end. But that's not bad. Just so you know.
Is that good?
That's good to me. Good.
Oh, now it's good.
The best part is it's now straight.
You go 40?
Oh, easily 40. That's Kyle, the new guy's here. Oh boy.
It's about the same.
Good.
I think that was further.
Yours turns. Now it went straight. Oof.
No, I think I turned it too much again.
Right down.
Yeah, right.
But then it turns that way. So I still need to turn it to the right.
What in the world is going on?